yeah. That's enough. This is gonna be the last one. Promise. Unboxing. So this is a big one. I got excited. This came in my birthday, which was Saturday. That it just passed. So yeah, I'm 25 now. I'm quarter of a century bit. No, I'm just. I cringe. I don't want to know my age. Can I be 21 again? No. Y'all are probably, you're so young. I know I am, but I don't want to get older either. So, cause I just have 5 more years and I'm 30. No, I'm not ready. Okay, whatever. I gotta distract myself. So this is the box. When I opened this yesterday, the box, not the stuff, I was like, let's see. I got so excited because I thought it was gonna be in lashes and like Valentine's Day stuff or birthday stuff, or she doesn't know my birthdays, but Valentine's Day or something. I know, but not me getting excited, but it's just a package. I mean lashes. It's just a package. Anyway, so I'm gonna do a backstory. Oh, look. Happy Valentine's Day. She just sent me a page. I thought it was gonna be like chocolate. I don't know. No. It's fine. Anything is fine. So she reached out to me. Ay, no me acuerdo. Probably November. No, I don't know. Last year. Late of last year or mid last year. I don't know. She hit me up and we talked, and she was like, hey, can I send you some lashes? And I was like, yes, of course. I was like, for free? Do I have to pay shipping or anything? She said, no, it's just everything is for free. And then like months passed, or I don't know how long, but it was a long time, and she never sent me the package. So I was like, was this a scam, lady? Was this fake? And I was gonna hit her up again. Hey, so was that real or not? Were you gonna send me or not? Do I have to wait or not? Like that. I wanted to know, because I just ignored it. And I know it gets busy. People are busy, forget, whatever. So I left it at that. And then, yeah, months later, she sent me finally the package. So, and I didn't have to remind her. So, whew, it was not fake. So yeah. So yeah, I don't know. I don't think she's my PR, because she sent me free products. If you send free products to someone, it's PR, but and you receive a discount code, but I haven't. She just was nice to me, nice enough to me, oh my gosh, to send me something for free with no code, with no promotion obligations, which is strange and random and weird, because you hardly get these opportunities. I'm grateful for that, because her theme is cats, and y'all know I love cats, so her brand is called Seductive Cat Lashes. So I'm just gonna open it and stop talking. So yeah, this is kind of cool though, the packaging, but it's really big. That's her brand. I got excited because I love cats. I don't know how she found me, but she probably saw that I was promoting other brands, and she was like, that's free promo. I'm gonna send her stuff so she can shout me out in her stories and page. So, knowing that I would, so. Oops, I broke the sticker. Okay, so. I'm just gonna start with this style. It's called, I don't know. Yeah, you see, that's the kitty. The kitty. The cute kitty. Oh, she has lashes. She has blue eyes. But yeah, this is called Bababoom. Alright. These are very natural. They're soft too. I can't remember if they're, oh yeah, foaming and cruelty free. I love that it says here because whenever I do unboxings, I'm like, is it foaming or not? Like, I want to know, but yeah, she puts it right there. It's foaming, so, oh, and that's her information. It's gold and you can really see because it shifts, but yeah, I'll put everything, you know, down there. So that's the first lash. The second lash is called, I don't know, let me just open it. Charming. It's another natural lash. Ooh, pretty. They're pretty. They're just very small. Okay, the last lash is called Goddess. Oh, these are more thick volumized, but they're still very natural, very natural. All of these, all her lashes are natural. When I go to her page, I think they're all natural. That's her style. So this is called, oh, I already said. Yeah, they're all pretty. So, oh, I did get candy. Oh no. It's a bath bomb. It's strawberry scented. Oh, I don't take baths. I don't use this. I've never used these before. Oh, that's sad. I'm not gonna use this. I thought it was a big candy. I got excited. I was candy. I'm just kidding. It looks nice. It's for Valentine's Day theme, so I wish I could smell it, but I don't want to open it if I'm not gonna use it. Oh yeah, there is candy. It's chocolate. Oh, I love these chocolate. I wonder if they're the crunch, the crispy ones. Oh no, it's just fudge. I didn't know. Yeah, she sent me two. So. I'm gonna eat it. So. Okay, the last two, or I don't know, is this lash pen glue. This has been trending everywhere. It's just an eyeliner pen where you can apply eyeliner, but it's also lash glue, so it's a twin one. You just put your wing liner and then your lashes on top, and you don't have to worry about applying lashes. So this is how it looks. It's just gold and sparkly. It looks fancy. It looks like Audrey Hepburn would wear this. We'll buy this. Or Marilyn. I don't know how to use it. Oh no. Oh, oops, me manché. So yeah, you see, it's just like a marker. Oh, another chocolate. Yay. 3 chocolates. Looking through the noodles. So I'm just gonna show you the card. This is her business information. Y aquí. Hey, mendiga carta. Alright, y'all can use the code. I'm not gonna be able to use it. So since I don't have a code, you can use this one. So you can, whoever gets it first is gonna use it. So yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, this is a small unboxing. Oh no, 10 minutes. Ooh. That's long. Okay, so I'm gonna stop yabbering. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye.